Yo, what's up, YouTube? As always, thank you in advance for the subscribe. Tapping that subscribe, hitting that like button. Thank you most importantly for just sticking in for this short. I got my new light in the mail. 6 straight tactical light laser. Listen, I said it once, I said it again. Gun hobbying is expensive. Cause it's like every time you feel like, yo, I'm good. You see some cool shit you wanna try. So this light cost me 32 bucks over Amazon. And trust me, them shit's expensive. So I'm gonna put this one on my SIG. Got a SIG P320. Just a heads up, all my firearms have empty chamber rounds. When they're not in use, I check everything as soon as I'm done and put a flag in. You know, I know it's a big pet peeve of a lot of people. More for my safety, they don't check their barrels, but every one of mine have empty chamber flags so I could get straight to work. Again, so I'm gonna put this light on my SIG. This is probably one of the easiest things you can do. Put on your goddamn light. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go, governor. This is a flag. Yeah. Okay. I like the laser. The switch placement is fucking beautiful. I like this. So that's it. Simple, easy. Take it out at nighttime just to see the quality of light that I can get in the dark, and be back later. Ugh.